Guten Tag. Hereby I will teach you how to make this simple and clean login form.
Okay, let's go.
We start off with an HTML file linked to an empty style sheet. Let's create the form structure first. Since you will be copying this anyway, I will speed things up a little bit. Just make sure that you don't leave anything out. So let's switch to the style sheet. We start off with the HTML and body elements. With this we have the whole website canvas to our disposal. Then we will add additional rules for the body to center things and give the body color. After that we move on to the login container, which holds the login form. Again, these are all just cosmetic changes. Quick tip, check out the website getcssscan.com for great box shadows. You can just simply copy and paste. After that we add some margin to the h1 element, followed by the form row class. Just make its position relative and move it up a little bit. Move on to the form input class. We add the box sizing so that the padding won't change the width of the element. Right after that, we will hide the placeholder text. The placeholder property is needed for the animation to work. Here we change the behavior when an input is selected. On to the form label class. The important part is the position. It should be absolute. This is where we set the actual animation. When the input is focused, this will be executed. The second part of the selector is to prevent the label from animating back when the input is unfocused again while having text value. Add this for the password forgot element. This right here styles the submit button, again basic stuff. Plus the behavior when the mouse is hovering over it. Last but not least, this here styles the text for signing up. You can access the full code if you subscribe to my channel. Just a prank. It's available in the description. Drop a like if this was helpful. See you later, alligator.